Hey y'all, I'm back again. So here's the current price action on Mad Meerkat on the Chronos. And between what happened today and people were already moving their money from Mad Meerkat Chronos to the new Polygon decks. And you can see this negative price action. It's pretty bad. 19% down in 24 hours when really really the rest of the market is quite active. Uh, But I did pull my stuff out of Mad Meerkat Chronos because yeah, there was an attack on their website and their website was down, and so they had to put up a backup website, and it freaked me out. I had like $470 in there. Um, so we'll we'll go and take a look at MMF Polygon, and it's just barely launched like yesterday or 2 days ago, right? So the smart contracts are working, the website's working. Um, this one looks pretty shaky. I'm gonna go ahead and stake some of my money in back into the Polygon Mad Meerkat. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do some of it. I was scared about losing my money because the site wasn't working, but here we go. So I'm just gonna do it, and so I'm gonna go to my Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and I believe Mad Meerkat will continue to go down on the Chronos side. Hopefully, they just fix the website right away because there's a lot of people are going to try to go to the old one and it's not going to work. And I'm just worried that they're going to freak out when they finally get access to it and take it out like I just did. Um, but oh well. So I'll make enough yield on this one. So the first thing we got to do is the first thing I that we have to do is make sure we have some Polygon Matic, and it has to be click that little menu. It has to be Polygon chain. Ethereum or Kronos is not going to work for this. Um, and I could not find a way to bridge Polygon Matic across chain. Like I bought some in VVS and I thought I could cross chain it, but it was Wrapmatic or it was, I don't know why when I went to multichain.org it wouldn't work. So you have to make sure and get Polygon on there for your fees. Um, but right now I'm gonna trade some of this Kronos for USD Tether, and I'm gonna move that cross chain using the router. So here we go. I need to. I can just go to VBS Finance will work. Let's go there. So yeah, I'm gonna go to trade and just swap out some of my Crow for USD Tether. No, and I'll just go back. I'm gonna go to Mad Meerkat for the swap instead. Oh yeah, I forgot. So the new website is backup.mm.finance. I guess the original website got hacked. Good thing about these smart contracts is they can't really get into the smart contracts. They can hack the interface and break it. But that's good to know that we've got developers that are really on it, apparently, because that freaked me out when I saw that. I didn't think it was going to be back up and running. So we're on the regular Kronos DEX here. I'm going to go trade some Crow for USDT. I'm trying to get $200 worth here. I could just type it on this side, right? Duh. 200. All right. So I'm going to swap that Crow for USD Tether. All right. So my balance is there. Now I'm going to go back out of here. I'm going to go to multichain.org. And this is the router I like to use. So you actually have to connect your wallet, and this one doesn't do it automatically. This is the cross-chain router I like to use. If you use the bridge, the router inside Meerkat, it's actually it's powered by multi-chain. It's the same thing. So either which way, you can use the bridge inside Meerkat. It's the same as this. So I'm gonna go USD Tether, and I'm gonna go cross chain to Polygon. So from to, we got Tether. You can only have whatever you pick will be the same down here. So you have to hit the same asset to move it across chain. You don't have to use Tether, but some of them have. I tried using USD Coin; it had low liquidity. USD Tether will work, and hopefully there's enough liquidity for this one. Cool. So it'll charge me 50 cents. Not bad for such a thing. And it's going to charge me a Kronos fee when I swap it. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this across the chains. And if you do this, just be patient. It does take 3 to 30 minutes. Usually takes about like 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to confirm that. All right, I'm going to pause this while this is working. All right, so the cross-chain routing was a success. Now when I go back to my wallet and click Tether, I can see my balance there, and I can click that and see that it's on Polygon chain right here. That's what we want. All right, so now I'm going to get to it. This mad Meerkat madness. I'm just going to drop the fear, and I'm going to go to the backup website. And hey, this is not financial advice. This is pretty dumb putting money into a site that was just hacked. But blockchain itself can't be hacked as long as we got devs that are, you know, that can back it up like this and move it around. I kind of feel better, but still, it's pretty sketchy. They did update the total value locked. It reflects what it was the other day, about 300 million. Okay, if it'll load, yeah. So the 312 million, 11 million circulating market capital, 11.9 million circulating supply, 92.5 million total volume traded. So this has been going good, and it's pretty messed up that the front end of the interface got hacked. But I'm gonna go ahead and get to it and go to trade and exchange, and I'm gonna provide more liquidity to. So I have to find this USDT is available over here now, Polygon. So I'm gonna trade 50% of that to MMF. Um, I need to purchase some more Matic because I'm almost running out. So I'll now trade USDT. I'm just gonna trade 50 cents into Matic. Now I'm gonna trade. I don't know what I was thinking. I should have traded it all to Matic. So I'll trade all the rest of my USD Tether to Matic. I want to put all that $400 in here, but I just put half of it. Well, I put $200 out of 435 in here. So now that I've done that, I can go to the liquidity section and create some pool tokens. So I'm going to add liquidity. Now I'm going to select MMF and Matic. Um, so I need to put a little bit less than that, so I have some Matic left over here. So do 105. You always want to make sure you have some balance left over. So 99 minus 97.5, I'll have a good dollars, just $1 or $2 left over in Matic. So I'm gonna go ahead, call it good, and supply that. Stick around to the end, you guys, and I'll show you how much I'm gonna make. About $15 a day off this pool, off of like 350 bucks. So I got my pool tokens, so I'm gonna go stake those in the farm. And this is what I'm after. That yield. That's a massive APR. I'm gonna add these pool tokens. I already have $150 worth in there. I'm gonna add about $200 more. So the annual return off of this $200 will be $2 billion. But hey, these rates are gonna go down. So if I can double or triple my money in the next month, that'd be awesome. Next month or two. So I'm gonna confirm that. And I'm just gonna start building on this pool and drop the fear. I have next to nothing anyway. Like if I lose my money, I didn't lose very much. You know what I mean? So here it is. I have $347 in there, and it's earning 1,690% APR. So I'm gonna go to the calculator real quick. So 1,690% APR divided by 365. So I will earn 4.63% daily return on investment. Okay. So $3.47. All right. $347 times 0.0. What did I say? 4.6%. We'll just say 4.6. So, like I said, I'm going to be earning $15 a day off of this pool. And I'm going to compound it several times per day and just build this pool and see how high I can get it. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see where this goes. And we had a sketchy time today with Mad Meerkat, but that's all right. So they're supposed to be fixing the regular URL, and so you can just access it like normal. But if you guys do this, just don't forget that the URL has changed, and it's actually backup.polymm. Okay, so backup.polymm.finance. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave it like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.